Today I'm sharing a beautiful wig by UniWigs. This wig that I'm sharing with you guys today is called May in the color Natural Black. May is a lace top Remy human hair wig, so I do need to trim this lace. May has a lace front and top and a wefted back. This is closed wefted. That's really nice. It's just a very well-made cap construction. You do have lace down at the nape as well. So if you want to pull May up and off the neck, then you can have that hair down at the nape and have it look more realistic. The density on May is 150%. The lace type is Swiss lace, so it's nice and sheer. And these knots are bleached. I really like that since this is very, very dark hair. Having bleached knots makes that lace look invisible. It looks fantastic if you can see. Now this is made with premium Remy human hair. You can use heat tools on this hair and style it just the way you like. May is a pre-cut style, so it's been expertly cut in a mid-length bob. The cap size on May is 22 inches and the length on May is 12 inches. Okay, I'm going to cut the lace on May and then we'll put her on. Okay, the lace is cut. Let's try May on and see what she looks like. I think she is a beautiful piece. Let me do a full turnaround so you guys can see her from all angles. This hair feels fantastic. It's nice and soft. I can't wait to give her some curl. I think I'm gonna go and play with her, curl her, and have a lot of fun. I really do love the length. This is a shoulder length bob, or what some refer to as a lob. I'm liking her.